So I hope you're well and I hope you're all good. This is your tutorial video for Panini. This is for you who weren't in class, and this is also for you who were in class, okay? So you can practice and catch up. Now, excuse the shadow. It's gone a little bit dark, so I've had to put a spotlight on, okay? So, basically, from the top, you have your feet apart, and you're doing a whoa. You're going 1, 2. Then you're going to take your head, you're going to look to the side, 3, hold 4. One more time, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then you're going to step back on your left foot, and we're just going to do the legs, and you're going to go 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now with the hands, take your fingers like this, and you're going to go 5, 6, 7. From the top, let's piece it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Brilliant. Moving on, you're going to step forward onto your right foot and you're going to bounce with the arms. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, bounce 5, 6, 7, hold 8. From the top up to there. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. From here, you're going to step out onto your right foot and you want to get low. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Carrying on, you're going to take your hands here, a bit like you're a foosball player, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then punch around 5, 6, 7, hold 8. One more time from the top. We go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome.